Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to tie a simple when you are in a rush to go out. It doesn't take much time. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Also turn on the notification button, please. Kindly like and also share our video. All it requires is just take a scarf, the main scarf you want to use, and then another one which you fold in bowl, as you can see me do it. When you fold it, you arrange your hair, then take the scarf you want to tie, and you can see the way I fold too, and put it on top and just cross it over. Very simple, very simple. Cross over and tie it to the back. You are good to go. This will not take you more than 2 minutes to do. No matter how rushing to go out, not take much of your time. The same thing, the same style too, you can also do it without adding any extra thing. You can also do it with your hair, depending on the hairstyle you have made. Just fold your hairstyle, you can see me do it too, and then tie it at the back. That's all. Very simple. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly help us do so. Thank you.